Welcome back everybody to another video. Here we're this Saturn Ion once again. Lower control arms on both sides. I'm gonna step you through step by step so you can save some money and hopefully hit like, share, subscribe. Put a bunch of gibberish down in the comments below and let's get into it. Step one, lift the car off the ground, take the wheels off. 19mm socket for the wheels. Here's the passenger one, matches up with this new one. Part number is SK521322. This is a SKP part. Got it on Rock Auto. Here's the driver's side, SK521321 from SKP. Use a 21mm to remove the bolt that's going vertical here on the back of the control arm. Use a 15mm, preferably a wobbly socket to make your life easier. And you're going to remove this one and the one on the other side. Need to get this bolt and nut off where the ball joint goes in. Grab it with a 15mm on this side. And then you're going to use an 18mm socket on this side. Use a pry bar to pry this guy out. And now we can slide it the rest of the way out by just removing these bolts all the way. And just pull it out towards the front of the vehicle. Grab your control arm. You're going to start by sliding this in first into that hole. Like so. You may have to push the spindle out of the way now because it'll move. Get it in the groove. We got this one started. Now we're going to pull down on the control arm and get it started into the spindle. We got the ball joint started in the spindle. Next step, we're going to reinstall these bolts here. We're going to have to push however you need to push. Get these guys in there. Get these started 3 or 4 threads. Jack up the control arm to get the curved part to line up with this bolt hole. And then slide your bolt back through. And that will give you the correct angle to start these bolts now. Because I couldn't get the right angle because this was too far down and it was tweaking these bolts down so it wouldn't line up with the threaded insert in the frame over here. Now that everything is started, just go ahead and torque them. If you want the torque numbers, go online and download them, whatever. We're just going to toss the wheel back on, torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds, put the hubcaps back on, and you're done with this side. Then you can do the same exact steps on the other side, and hopefully it goes smooth for you. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Just copy the same steps on the other side. It's no big deal. And just hit like, share, subscribe, put a comment in the bottom. It helps me with the algorithm, all right? So I don't care what you put down there. Till next time, wrench on.